Welcome to the classroom of adjectives and adverbs. Now, we see this running man. What do we know about this running man? Well, first of all, if this runner would be Usain Bolt, we could say that he is a quick runner. On the other hand, if the runner would be me, we could say he's a slow runner. But let's get back to Usain Bolt and the running man. Now, going back to our running man, we can say that he is a quick runner. Now pay attention because quick tells you something more about runner. And runner is our noun. So we can say that adjectives, such as quick, tell you something more about runner, your noun. Other examples of adjectives are a great runner, a slow runner, and a bad runner. Now, adverbs tell you something more about how an action is done. For example, if we see a running man, we can ask ourselves the question, how does he run? Then we can say he runs quickly. Now quickly tells you something more about how he runs, so about his verb. So then we can conclude that an adverb tells you something more about the verb. Now how to form an adverb, have a look at the following grid. In the first column you see adjectives, then you have the adverbs, and the last column you have the rule. Now have a look at the first row. There you have the adjectives quick, complete, effective and beautiful. Now to form an adverb you just simply add ly. So quick becomes quickly, complete, completely, effective, effectively and beautiful, beautifully. That's the basic rule. Looking at the second row then, you see that the words responsible and unmistakable, they both end in able and able. Then you just simply drop the last e you see and you add a y. So responsible becomes responsibly and mistakable becomes unmistakably. Whenever your adjective ends in a y, such as happy or easy, you just simply drop the last y and add an I plus ly. So for example, happy becomes happily, easy becomes easily. Looking at the fourth row now, realistic and basic, you just simply add ly. So whenever your adjective ends in ic, you just add ly. Realistic becomes realistically, basic becomes basically. And to end, English wouldn't be English if it wouldn't have its own exceptions, of course. So good becomes well, late stays late, fast is fast, and hard is hard. Please know that late and hard you can also have lately and hardly, but they have a different meaning there. This concludes the presentation about adjectives and adverbs. I hope you have learned something about it and hope to hear from you soon.